Electricity has become a life necessity, and its development and changes are connected with civilization. With the mission of Build Smart Grid Together, INHE products cover multiple fields like smart meters, AMI systems, smart power distribution, photovoltaic, communication modules, and so on. INHE provides both smart power distribution products and overall solutions for global customers. The power grid system is a huge and complex project. The power plants convert thermal, hydro, wind, solar, nuclear and other energy into electric energy, which is distributed to thousands of households by power transformation in the process of transmission. New energy has become an important source of power supply. Photovoltaic inverters convert the direct current from solar panels into alternating current that can be used by the power grid. The subsidiary of INHE, INHE focuses on the R&D, sale and manufacturing of string photovoltaic inverter products. Substation is the core link of power transmission and distribution, which requires high reliability and security. INHE's 0.2S 3-phase VT-CT Smart Energy Meter is with high precision power energy measurement and comprehensive inspection of power supply quality, supporting multi-tariff demand-side management by combined with remote communication technology and management platform. The reliability of power distribution network, a link between users and power distribution, poses direct effect on user experience. INHE Grid Power Distribution Automation Overall Solution realizes online monitoring and remote control of the distribution network, automatically isolating faulty areas and restoring power supply to non-faulty areas to improve power supply reliability. The electricity power is transmitted over long distances to the end users. If the residential area has high density and the power line there is in order, INHE concentrator and smart meter with communication like PLC, RF, low-Ra, Y-Sun and 4G can be applied there. INHE has been continuing the research on key technologies, including grid-connected PV, solar storage and charging, user demand-side management, electricity transaction platform, and microgrid energy management system. The subsidiary of INHE, WITLink, uses a software system as a platform to collect, verify, calculate and integrate data through a remote network to manage the electricity power application. In the future, INHE will focus on the development needs of power grid and continue to increase investment in scientific research, adhering to the product upgrade concept of manufacturing, R&D and conceiving generation to better serve customers.